What up, everybody? I'm going to teach you how to do t-shirt designing in just 5 to 10 minutes. Step 1. Make sure you guys got some clean laundry, because we're going to need it. Step 2. Find a decent shirt. Despite the stains on it, I washed it pretty decent enough. That's a decent goddamn shirt. Now, it's time to head to work. I was gonna be weird. This is what you're gonna need for a successful t-shirt design. You're gonna need an iron, a good film, and some cardboard. And of course, a design. Let's get to work. Place a shirt on your work surface. Please have a towel, because you will mess this up if you don't have a damn towel. Get ready to place the cardboard underneath the shirt, so it could be right in the center or wherever you want. Part 2, I'll show you how it's done. T-shirt design part 2 with a better shirt and a better transfer. Now that you have the cardboard right underneath the shirt, you're ready to start pressing. Before you do anything, if you have cotton on, if you're using a cotton shirt like I'm using, because I like it when it's better in the washing machine and it's much easier to clean, make sure you set the iron to cotton, and if you have an iron like this one, make sure you set it all the way to the max. Any kids that are watching, please have your mother or your father help you out with this, because the iron is very hot and we don't want you to burn yourselves, okay? So, place the design right in the center. But make sure you peel this off. Remember to be careful peeling. We don't want air bubbles. Now we're going to place the design right in the center. Film in place. Let's press. I'm completely done ironing. It is now time to do the amazing peel off, and this should be complete. There you go, guys. Your t-shirt. Like if you found this helpful.